You're probably already able to create stunning AI art with either paid tools like Midjourney or one of the thousands of free tools available. I'm going to show you how to monetize this AI art. I'll cover the pros and cons of each category of platforms, share some statistics from those websites, and discuss things you need to keep in mind to avoid copyright or regulatory issues. We'll also explore some specific tools to help you sell your art and generate extra income. To legally sell AI art, artists can purchase a commercial license from AI art platforms like Midjourney. This license grants them the permission to use the AI-generated art for commercial purposes, including selling it on any platform. What I recommend is taking a look at your AI generator tool pricing plans to see if they allow commercial use. Without wasting any more time, let's get to the first category. We are going to start with the most popular. Etsy is one of the leading e-commerce marketplaces worldwide. Around 500 million people visit Etsy every month. In 2023, Etsy had 97.3 million active buyers worldwide. Repeat buyers make 81% of purchases on Etsy. This gives you an idea that you can access to a huge marketplace that is growing so fast. The easiest way to sell on Etsy is through a print-on-demand service like Printify or Printful. You provide the artwork and the company handles everything else, printing your designs on various products, t-shirts, mugs, etc., packaging, and shipping them directly to customers. Now some tools to help you stand out from competition on Etsy specifically. Alura is one of the best Etsy SEO and market research tools I've used. It reveals valuable information like estimated sales, listing tags used by competitors, and even the messages shops send to buyers. They have a Chrome browser extension that shows estimated sales and revenue directly on Etsy, smart AI features, listing optimization, and recommendations on how to improve your Etsy listings. Other tools like a fee calculator and privacy policy generator, they offer a free plan with limited searches. The top plan could be quite expensive, but the middle plan, Growth, still offers a great set of features that are useful for Etsy sellers. EtsyHunt is a great Etsy SEO tool with the largest database of Etsy products on the market. You can also search specific keywords to see the competition level and estimated sales in order to identify market gaps. The price is also budget-friendly. Other apps like Sales Samurai, eRank, and Everbee are also great tools for doing some research. I will give you all the links to these websites in the description so you can take a look. Moving on with the main rival of Etsy, Redbubbble. They act as their own print-on-demand provider, meaning you don't need to connect external services. They handle everything. This makes Redbubbble a great option for artists, including AI art creators, who want to easily sell their designs on a variety of products with minimal upfront investment. Zero, actually. However, be prepared for extremely high competition. Fine Art America can be a viable platform for selling AI-generated art. However, they offer less control over product pricing and fulfillment compared to print-on-demand services. This means you'll have less flexibility in setting profit margins. Additionally, the marketing responsibility falls entirely on the seller, so promoting your shop and your AI art becomes essential for success. Saatchi Art. While they don't explicitly reject AI art, the application process involves human review. This means the quality, originality, and artistic merit of your AI creations will be crucial for getting accepted. Displate offers a unique platform for showcasing your art on high-quality metal prints. This can be a great option for AI art with a strong visual impact and a modern aesthetic. Amazon Handmade, part of the massive Amazon marketplace, Amazon Handmade caters specifically to handcrafted and artisanal goods. It can be a good choice for AI art printed on physical products like phone cases or notebooks. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps a lot. You can also sell AI art as stock footage. The biggest players in the stock photography market are Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and iStock. However, Shutterstock and iStock don't accept AI-generated images, which leads to Adobe Stock being the only high-volume stock photography website that accepts AI-generated images, is one of the best choices for creators looking to generate passive income. With a commission rate of 30% per download, you can earn anywhere from 33 cents to $26 per download. As a wildcard, uploading your AI images on Wirestock is one of the top choices for new contributors. Wirestock does all the keywording and distributing for you, making it easy to upload your images and start earning money right away. Please keep in mind, there's a free limit of 5 image uploads. Uploading more requires a subscription. Dreamstime, while it may be considered a low-tier site, it remains an established and renowned platform with over 1 million contributors worldwide. This naturally creates a competitive environment, but with more than 50 million buyers seeking quality content, the opportunity remains substantial. Now let's see the pros of selling on these websites. You will always find a large established audience of buyers. There is a wide variety of product options, prints, cards, t-shirts to even stickers. Passive income stream with minimal upfront investment. You need literally zero investment to start. POD services handle printing, shipping, and customer service. Now the cons of selling AI art on these websites, because we like to see the good and the bad stuff as well. High competition from other artists. Be ready to be competitive. Lower potential profit margins due to saturation. Standing out requires strong marketing and SEO optimization. If you use print-on-demand services, you have limited control over product quality and pricing. What do I recommend to actually sell on these markets? Create collections around themes or styles to attract specific demographics. Identify trends. You can use social media to track what is going viral at the moment. Share your store link on social media, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Nowadays, if you don't get traffic from social media, you will have to run targeted ads. Ensure your AI art is high resolution and visually appealing. I recommend upscaling them using an upscaler. Research relevant keywords for your art style and target audience. Use those keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. And finally, be consistent. 10 images won't get results. Remember, hard work pays off.